The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and do business. It has opened up a world of opportunities that were previously unimaginable. Starting an online business offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing entrepreneurs to work from anywhere in the world. Whether it's a beach in Bali, a cozy cafe in Paris, or the comfort of your own home, the possibilities are endless. Unlike traditional businesses, online ventures often require significantly lower startup costs. You don't need to invest in expensive real estate or large inventories. A simple home office setup and a reliable internet connection can be all you need to get started. Without the need for physical storefronts or large staff, entrepreneurs can launch with minimal investment. This means lower financial risk and the ability to scale your business at your own pace. The global reach of the internet is another compelling advantage. You can connect with potential customers from all corners of the globe, breaking down geographical barriers and expanding your market reach exponentially. Entrepreneurs can connect with potential customers worldwide, expanding their market reach. This global connectivity allows for diverse customer bases and the opportunity to tap into international markets. Technological advancements have made it easier than ever to launch, manage, and grow a successful online business. With tools for project management, e-commerce platforms, and data analytics, entrepreneurs have everything they need at their fingertips to build and sustain a thriving online enterprise. Embarking on the journey of starting an online business is an exciting and transformative experience. It all begins with a crucial step that sets the foundation for your success. This step is identifying your niche. Your niche is the specific area of the market where your business will operate, and it's essential to find one that aligns with your strengths and interests. Delve deep into your passions, interests, and skills to uncover a market segment where you can truly thrive. Think about what excites you, what you're good at, and where you can add value. Research potential niches by exploring online marketplaces and industry publications. Look at what's trending, what's in demand, and where there might be gaps in the market that you can fill. Conduct thorough keyword research to determine search volume and competition levels. This will help you understand how many people are searching for products or services in your potential niche and how tough the competition is. Look for niches with a healthy balance of demand and competition. A niche with high demand but manageable competition is ideal, as it offers opportunities for growth without being oversaturated. A well-defined niche allows you to target a specific audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. This targeted approach makes your marketing efforts more effective and helps you build a loyal customer base. Aligning your business with your passions and a viable market segment sets the stage for long-term growth. When you are passionate about what you do and there is a market for it, you are more likely to stay motivated and committed to your business journey. It's crucial to validate your niche before investing significant time and resources. Confirm there is genuine market demand for your products or services. Conduct thorough market research and analyze your competitors. Identify gaps or opportunities in the market that your business can fill. Engage with your target audience directly to gain valuable insights. Use social media platforms to interact with potential customers and gauge interest. Regularly monitor market trends and adapt your products or services to meet evolving demands. Crafting a business plan serves as a roadmap for your online venture. Define your business objectives, both short-term and long-term. Outline your target market in detail, understanding their demographics and interests. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan to reach your target audience. Explore different marketing channels like social media, SEO, and email marketing. Determine which channels align best with your target audience and budget. Outline your financial projections, including startup costs and revenue forecasts. A strong online presence is non-negotiable for any business. Your website serves as your virtual storefront, showcasing your brand and facilitating transactions. Choose a memorable domain name and a reliable web hosting provider. Design a user-friendly website that is visually appealing and optimized for mobile devices. Establish a presence on social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. Create engaging profiles and regularly interact with your audience. Consider creating a blog to share valuable content and attract organic traffic. Implementing effective marketing strategies is crucial to reaching your target audience. Start by understanding who your ideal customers are and what they need. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts to resonate with them. Consider creating a blog to share valuable content and attract organic traffic. Implementing effective marketing strategies is crucial to reaching your target audience. Start by understanding who your ideal customers are and what they need. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts to resonate with them. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and driving traffic. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer unique opportunities to engage with your customers in real time. Identify the social media platforms where your ideal customers spend their time. Conduct research to understand their online behavior and preferences. This will allow you to create content that resonates with them and encourages interaction. Run targeted advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience. Use data analytics to refine your ads and ensure they are seen by the right people. This can significantly increase your conversion rates and return on investment. Optimize your website's content for search engine optimization to attract organic traffic. Use relevant keywords and high-quality content to improve your search engine rankings. Regularly update your site to keep it fresh and engaging. Build an email list by offering valuable content in exchange for email addresses. Email marketing allows you to communicate directly with your audience, providing them with personalized content and offers that can drive sales and build loyalty. Create and share valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. Consistently providing high-quality content will establish your brand as an authority in your industry and keep your audience coming back for more. Starting an online business can be an exhilarating and rewarding venture. Follow these steps to lay a solid foundation for your online business. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and perseverance. Embrace the ever-evolving nature of the digital landscape and adapt your strategies as needed. Stay informed about industry trends and continuously seek ways to improve. Approach this journey with the right mindset and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement.